Good morning, Graham, Vape Underground, and what I'm going to demonstrate today is this device from Wellon, which is called the Ripple, and it's almost a mouth to lung pod, but it's not mouth to lung because you can actually lung inhale. Okay, so what I want to show is the cloud potential of the device and how much vapor it can produce. And in here what I'm running is Dinner Lady, the new mango top. So you can see, and I think this is a 70-30 blend, just so you can see the concentrate of what I'm running through the device. So here you go, just blow a few clouds for you. What I find is the first one, when you inhale, you don't get much vapor. You get a bit, but you don't get a lot. But once it starts to warm up, if you take your lips off, put it on, lips on, watch. You get a fair bit. That's really good. Mango tart every day. It's nice. It's a good device. I would suggest don't suck too hard. Really tasty. There you go. Ripple from Wellon. Pretty cool.